What are you doing, Chucky? I'm doing a chicken. It's a chicken. Stop it, I'm sweating. Rishi Sunak, chickens, he's a chicken. Rishi Sunak, chickens out of general election on May the 2nd as he's accused of squatting. He's a chicken laying an egg. What's he doing, laying an egg? In number 10 Downing Street. There's Sir Keith Starver. You see it, look. He's after him. He's got a big axe. More than 100 Tory MPs aren't going to stand in the next. He's chopping them down. Oh, there's Mum on the phone. I'm going to have to call you back, Mum. Just doing a quick, the newspaper review. There's the election. This is the election 2024, and it's coming. Don't vote Tory. Whatever you do, 2024, don't vote. This is my election zine. And if you do vote for the Keith Starver, the horrific guy that he is, the genocide enabler, abandon all hope. But Chucky, you're sending mixed messages, mate. Yeah, Starmer for genocide. Yeah, but do you vote for Rishi or do you vote for Keith Starver? I ain't voting for Keith Starver, Sir Keith. I'm not voting for that fucking... And I'm definitely not voting Tory. Look at that. Frank Hester, PM. He took £5 million more. He got 10 million, then 5 million. That's half of the Tory, all the money that they've got. Rishi Sunak under pressure over new £5 million from donor accused of race. He's a chicken. Number 10, anxiety grows as angry Tories question Sunak's authority. Let's see what else is going on. Front page of The Guardian this morning. Tories urged to give back further £5 million. Is he actually bought the Tory party? It's like he's bought it. Russia attacks Grant. How did they know it was Russia? Maybe the way that Britain's military equipment is, maybe it just didn't work. Bit conspiratorial by the Daily Mail. How can they be so sure? Working hours. Look, they're not even bloody working. They're calling it a zombie parliament. They're not even working. That's the front page of the Financial Times this morning. Look, we got 20,000 people a month off because of mental health. The country's in a fucking mess, mate. There's Sir Alex Ferguson and there's like Sam Allardyce at the Cheltenham. Sir Alex won again. This is my new zine. I'll put a link in the bio. Look, go get the zine. It's an election special. There's only about 10, 20 copies left at the max. And just to end on this, it's from Sky News. Look at that there, breaking. Dozens of people killed and injured as they waited for aid. That's horrific. Gaza Health. Dozens of people killed and injured. Killed and injured. Killed and injured by who? By whom? What does that even mean? Why can't they just say it? Why can't... This is the news. And they can't even say it. Israel. Dozens of people killed and injured waiting for aid.